Hello, all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the 64 Collector channel. Today we have this any wild guess who could remember this vehicle from? Yes, it's from the Bayverse Transformers, or Bayformers as they jokingly called it. But this is the uh, Autobot Ratchet. It doesn't transform, but it it replicates or completely replicates the vehicle form. That's alternate form. Okay, without much ado, we'll just unbox it. Okay, so here it is. Unfortunately, the acrylic box is cracked. I hope maybe this is due to shipping. I hope the model itself is not affected. Anyway, most of our models, diecast models, we set them free. We we display them loose. You know, for me, I prefer having them loose because I want to enjoy it. You bought it, so we bought it, so we must enjoy it. We only live once in this life, so why not enjoy it, right? Okay, that set is free. Okay, so the model itself, let's go. Yeah, so this is a diecast, heavy diecast. Let's see the materials. So this is diecast, the chassis is diecast, and the underneath is a well appointed and detailed. Of course, it has rolling rubber wheels. Perfectly rolls, and all the rescue equipment is here. So here we go. There's this is from the fire department, so most probably there are well, this pry bars here, some jack, lever jack, right? I like also the way they did for this roof rack, see, and that light bar is done in red, clear red, and that overhead lights, indicator lights, even the oh, I think one of the no, so there's one wiper here. Okay, I don't know if there's another wiper or not. And this side mirror, they put some metallic silver sticker there, chrome. And on the other side, there's a shovel, quick access. So this is based on the Hummer vehicle. Even the front end is very good, excellent. There's a bull bar, we call it bull bar or whatever. This headlights, extra fog lamps. There's no opening feature, but at least this is well detailed. Also there's some protective bar here. We'll make it closer, up close. Yeah. So what do you think, guys, of this new model from MK Miniatures? What a nice little number. So I have another Autobot. I have the Optimus Prime. I have the Bumblebee. Now we have Ratchet. What else? I think I need Hound. I hope they produce also Hound. Okay. Thank you again, guys, for indulging with me. I'll see you again next time for more unique models. This is the 64 Collector. Bye.